Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm really excited to be back, and I'm mad excited for today's video because I've been waiting for this product to come in the mail and it's here. I am going to be trying the hair paint wax for you guys. Basically, hair paint wax is a temporary way to dye your hair. It's not really hair dye, it's basically a wax that you put over your hair, and it just lets you have fun with different vibrant colors. I got a few different ones, but for today I'm trying the blue and the purple. They are pretty bright, so I'll be excited to see if they come out as vibrant on my dark hair as they look in the bottle. I have watched some other people's reviews and I've seen some mixed feedback. So yeah, I'm excited to see how it turns out, how it lasts, how it wears, how my hair feels, and all that good stuff. And before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell notification so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to apply some leave-in conditioner. Today I'll be using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey line. I'm using their leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. I love the whole line actually. That's what I'll be using to style my hair today, and it's what I've been using for the last 2 or 3 weeks or so. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like with all my product applied. So I'm going to go section my hair and get started with the wax. Okay, so my hair wax, I just peeled off the plastic and the little silver lid inside, as you can see. And I'm just going to wing it, y'all. Like, I'm sure there's probably a more precise way to do this, but I don't know. Here it goes. I just scooped out some. I don't know, it's soft. It doesn't smell too strong. It actually smells pretty good. Very clean and fresh. Kind of like soap. But yeah, I'm obviously not wearing gloves, so hopefully this doesn't stain too badly. Oh Lord Jesus. Take the wheel. I don't know how much is too much. As I work it into my hair, I feel like it kind of disappears. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of the purple. So this is my first section done. I really can't tell looking in the camera if you can see the difference. I mean, I can see it in person. I just can't tell on my viewfinder if you guys are seeing the difference. Hold up, let me get closer. Ooh, child, yes, you can see it. She's excited. Oh my god, it's really purple. Okay. Alright, I'm hyped. I just got hyped, y'all. I'm gonna do the next side in the same purple. I'm really not using that much every time. I'm just kind of swabbing with my middle finger and working with that much at a time. Putting on enough to make it opaque, but I am blending it into my hair very well because I don't want any like chunks or, you know, pieces falling out of my hair once it dries. Come on, colors. Oh. Ooh. I'm now just gonna kind of smooth my hands over both sections that I just did to kind of try to blend it together. This is me acting like I know what I'm doing. We're just gonna see. Okay, so I think I'm done with my application for the most part. I'm gonna go wash my hands and dry my hair with the diffuser, and I'll come back for the final results. Okay guys, so these are my final results. This is day 1 hair. Hopefully you guys can see the color. I can definitely see it in person. Here is the top. I'm pretty happy with it, honestly. I'm pretty impressed. Is it as vibrant as I have been seeing on some people's Instagram posts? Not quite. I would say maybe those people were using, either they used way more product than I did, or they were using filters, which is fine because, you know, I get it. You want to use the filter so the picture looks the best, but I just wanted to see for myself what the real color truly looked like, and this is it. I did take some pictures with filters and without. I'll go ahead and insert some of those here now for you to see. In terms of the feel, my hair does feel a little bit stiff, but honestly it doesn't feel drastically different than how it feels when I do day one hair using these products. It just feels like a gel cast to me. Maybe it feels a little bit coated in areas where I probably put more wax, but overall it doesn't feel crazy to me. There's movement. There is movement. You can see that it's not like stiff and hard as a rock, but just to let you guys know, yes, my hair does feel slightly stiff. No, I don't think it's the end of the world. As for getting the color off my hands, as you can see, I've gotten it pretty much completely off my hand, and it seemed to rinse off pretty well with just water before I even washed my hands with soap, which is good because the product is advertised to wash out with water. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go about my life. I'm going to wear my hair like normal. Like I said, I won't be refreshing because I don't want the color to bleed or fade. I'm just going to wear it like normal. I will check back in with you guys with some short clips or pictures just to keep you updated on how the color is progressing day by day, how it's holding up, if it looks crazy, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. This is my hair standing in front of the window in my house. Natural lighting, no kind of filter. This is just what it looks like in the natural sunlight. So as you can see, you can definitely see it. It's there. And finally, this is what it's looking like indoors, but not in direct sunlight, so not in front of a window or light. So you can definitely still see the color, but it's not as vibrant as when I take it over here. Bam! So there was only very, very minimal staining around my collar where my hair would rub up against my shirt and my white sports bra. For white, that's really not a lot of staining. As for my hands, the color only came off very, very slightly if I was really putting my hand to my hair, like putting it up or out of a bun. But again, it wiped right off with either a paper towel or water, so I'm not complaining. Also keep in mind that I did not restyle my hair. I did not spray it with any water of any kind or any product because I didn't want the color to bleed any more than it naturally would. There was some mild staining on my ear and neck, but that wiped right off with water as well. For more updates on this hair paint wax and how long it lasted, head on over to my Instagram at Kenzie_Kenz1. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!